Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off YouTube's watch or search history on the YouTube app for iOS or Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right. Select the gear icon in the top right corner. Underneath Account, you want to select Manage All History. Select the Controls tab, and then scroll down underneath YouTube History. So if the history is presently turned on, you can select the Turn Off button here, and that is all you would have to do. And then make sure the sub-settings are also turned off for YouTube videos you watch and searches on YouTube, because they are also being reviewed or stored, I guess. So just make sure they are unchecked in here. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.